Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we didn't have amazing reaction to the Kawasaki Vulcan request, so we're gonna just kind of give you some glimpses of the job, and me and Edward are just gonna whack it out. Yeah, so let me just turn around and show you what we're gonna do, and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, here we are. We got her up on the rack. The safety bar is in. I've got her blocked up and the plate out so the rear wheel can come out. Now we are going to have to pull the exhaust pipes, and then that big bolt right there, that big bolt right there, and then the rear wheel and everything associated, so brakes. I am also going to get these saddlebags out of the way. Edward is out here helping me today. He's got a screwdriver. He's going to start getting the battery out of there. Go on ahead. That needs to be charged too. And then on over here and behind Edward, we got the various shields and yada yada. This cover, the coolant reservoir. This cover over here for our main belt pulley, our main drive pulley has got to come off. Yeah, so we're going to get started on all that, and we'll just kind of bring you in as we go. See you then. All right, everybody, welcome back. It's been a second. We got a bunch done, so let me get you flipped around and I'll show you where we're at. Okay, pipes are off. As you see, we were already into the swing arm bolts. Rear wheel is off. So, I kind of just got busy. We stripped her all down, and I got that swing arm all loose, and got the new belt in there. So now the trick with these guys is there's just enough space once you pull out this bolt and this bolt to wiggle this swing arm that way, and back to open up enough of a gap right here to let this belt through, because obviously that is now captured. Now, how do they get away with that on chain motorcycles? Well, they have a master link, so you can feed it in unlinked and then back out the back without having to do all this. So there we go. Half of the battle is done with these pain in the butt Kawasaki's. But now it's just reassembly and putting the proper 10 foot-pounds of assimilated stretch on the belt and back together. So I'll see you in the next update here when we get the rear wheel on properly. Okay, everybody, well, we're back. We've got a new belt on there. And we've got the marks even at the third mark on both sides, and that's all good and tightened up. We have a estimated, since I don't have the special tool, 10 pounds of deflection on the belt. That seems pretty good. It rolls nice and smooth, as you see. Not too bad. Now that'll stretch just a hair once it gets a couple rides in it, and if we need to tension it again, we can. It's pretty easy to do that from the back. You don't have to tear apart all of the other stuff. So yeah, I'm going to start getting her all put back together, all buttoned up. We'll get the battery back in it and see how she does. See you then. All right, everybody, we got everything back together. I left the saddlebags off and the side covers off just so I can see the belt. We'll go take this for a drive just about a mile or so, just see, make sure it rolls okay, and then I can take it back. I'm even going to wear a helmet today to make all the... I did check tire pressures, all that. It all seemed good. Yeah, see what we can do. Clutch is a little stiff.
Well, guys, if you're still with me, there you have it. I hope you dig. Monty, it's working great. I even beat on it a little bit for you. Got her up to about 85, 90 there. My hands are freezing. All right, I'll see you guys later. Next time.